Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. Today I am going to show you how you can make money online while selling your photos. If you are passionate about creating different photos or you are a professional photographer and looking for a way to monetize your profession, then this video will help you to make money while selling your photographs. Before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, different business models and digital marketing concepts. If you wanted to get similar type of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. Let's start it with the today's video. How you can sell your photographs and make money. I am sharing you a website that is Snapwire. That is very popular website nowadays. The site address is little bit tricky one, www.snapwi.re, snapwi.re. Please remember this. And if you move to the website, then you will see like this your visual custom content machine. And Snapwire's custom content platform makes it easy to get the unique photos and videos you need. Big or small, Snapwire has the platform to create quality visuals on our terms. And if you move downward, then this site is working with the different agencies, enterprises and different brands. And now let's look at this website is trusted by some of the leading brands out there like Google, Traffic, Zagat, Hotsuite, Intuit and different LinkedIn, Huffington Post. So these all are top brands that are working with the Snapwire. You may be thinking that how they are working with the Snapwire. Definitely they need images, videos. They get those or they buy those pictures from the Snapwire. And we as a photographer, we can sell our pictures to the Snapwire and we can make money. I hope you get the basic idea about the Snapwire. Now I am going to show you how you can make money with the Snapwire. At first, if you wanted to download this app, then you can download from the Google Play Store. And if you move to the Google Play Store, then you can see that the app, and if I take you to the previous, then you can see that this is the app Snapwire Sell Your Photos, and this app has a rating of 4.0 and it is a good rating. Any app that has a rating of 3.8, 4 or above, then this you can consider it a legit and a good app to be worked on. Just read one of the review. So far, excellent, smooth, super easy to navigate, clear instruction and simple guidelines, fun and exciting too. I am unable to share a photo to the app direct from my photo. So this guy has given a 4 ratings, and different people are praising this app while others are criticizing this app. But all in all, this is a good app for making money. You can download this app on your mobile phone. And now let's move to Snapwire. And if you just click on creator, and become a creator, make custom visuals and earn money doing what you love. You take brilliant shots, you should get paid for them. I shoot beautiful visuals. There are actually 2 ways to earn with this site: request and challenges, or portfolio and marketplace. I am going to guide you each method how this gonna work for you. Request and challenges. Brands and businesses post requests and proven creators submit shots that match. Brands get the custom visuals they need and you earn money doing what you love. So let's suppose a brand A has come to the Snapwire and they request on the Snapwire that they require like pizza images, high quality screenshots or high quality visuals. after they posted their request, we as a creators, we then create or shorts those images or pictures and then post it on the website. After this, the customers or the brands give us the numbers and are selected the ones which best suits to them. And after selecting the images, those brands will give then the payment to the winners. This is the one form of earning with the Snapwire. The second form is portfolio and marketplace. Here you are creating your images portfolio and uploaded different type of images. So what happened? Anyone who comes this site or any brand who move to this website and search for a keyword like food street, and somehow he finds your images the most relevant one, and if you move to your image, he will find the price of that image like extra large for $75, large for $50, small medium for $25, and small for $15. So whichever that brand would like, they will definitely buy that image for a price and you will earn the money. How much you are going to earn? For request and challenges, you will earn 100%, and for the marketplace or the portfolio, you will earn 50%. Now let's move to the creators. Now I am giving you the idea which types of images are selling like a hotcakes. Just move to the creators and just click on recently purchased. Now you are seeing images that have just sold recently. It will give you the good idea which types of images are actually being sold on the Snapwire. Even there are different pages out there. You just go different page one by one and get the idea which type of images are selling at most on this platform. After that, you can just create those images and make your portfolio. Once you have a good portfolio, there is a chance that some brand will come to this site, which usually happens on a frequently basis, and if somehow anyone finds your image, definitely you have a chance of earning money with this Snapwire. But make sure these images are high quality images. Just I am going to show you one image like let's suppose this is the image. If I click on this image, then you are seeing that the image has a great quality, and the price of this image is $100 for large, $50 for medium, $25 for small, and $10 for extra small. If I move to the leaderboard, then here you can find the top photographers who are making good money with the Snapwire. Just going to show you few of the top personalities. Like if I look at this guy and if I click on these images, and these are simple images, you can just create from a good camera, and these are very simple images and you can take from your home as well. And this guy is selling these images for $75, $35, and you can even take those images. I don't think that these are difficult at all. These are Pampers and something like that. And these are the keywords like nappies and baby diaper, laundry, blanket, and these are the keywords through which people search those images, and if they find and they like that, they will pay you for the images that they have selected. I hope you get the idea. And let's suppose if you have a good portfolio, then there's a chance you can make few $100 per month from this Snapwire. But keep in mind that you have to be a good photographer in order to make some good money. I don't think that using simple smartphone or taking pictures from the smartphone would help. There is a chance, but not on a big scale. If you are a professional photographer, there is a good chance that you can make some good money with this site, few $100 per month with the Snapwire. However, this is not the full-time income. If you wanted to earn a full-time income, I have mentioned my link in the description box. That is my most recommended system out there. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.